Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to see and share your Wi-Fi password on Android. Digging through old router stickers is a massive pain, but pulling up your saved network profile generates a scannable QR code that displays your exact password text instantly. First, open the Settings apps. Click directly on Network and Internet or Connections at the very top of your Options menu list layout. Click on the Wi-Fi or Internet Configuration row block to view your available local network connections. Locate the specific Wi-Fi network you are currently connected to and click on the Gear Settings icon sitting directly on the right side of its row. Here you will find Password section. Click the eye icon next to it to see it and enter your passcode. If you can't find it, click the Share option button shaped like a QR code. Type in your lock screen device security PIN, scan your fingerprint, or enter your system password to authorize the credential access. A secure dashboard layout will immediately pop up displaying a large scannable QR code grid in the center of your display panel. Your friends can instantly scan this QR graphic with their phone camera lens to jump onto your local area network without typing a single digit. Now, if you simply want to view the plain text credential yourself, look directly below that generated QR code graphic image layout. The exact hidden password string will be explicitly printed in plain text right next to a label labeled Wi-Fi password. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.